If you're like most pregnant women, your appetite has increased, yet you can't fit in the same size meals as you used to before you became pregnant. So now you're finding that you need to snack a lot more frequently. But you're struggling for snack ideas. In today's episode of Nourish, we're going to discuss what to look for in a nutritious snack. And I'm going to give you 10 nutritious and practical snacks that my clients love. Stay tuned.
So I've become a lot more hungry as I've gone through my pregnancy. What are some snacks that are healthy but will keep me full?
Firstly, eating nourishing snacks is a good idea during pregnancy. They help distribute your glucose levels more evenly to reduce the risk or help control gestational diabetes, enable you to have smaller meals, which is better for reflux, help you to keep your energy levels up when you're exhausted, and help you to keep morning sickness at bay. But it's important to ensure that your snacks are nourishing and that you're not just filling up on chocolate biscuits and potato chips. By the way, did you see what I did there? Nourishing, and we're on Nourish. Okay, so what are my top 10 suggestions? Let's whiz through them. Number 1, a glass of milk. So simple that it's often overlooked, but many women don't meet their calcium requirements during pregnancy, especially when they decrease their coffee intake. Number 2, a handful of nuts. Nuts are a common allergy for babies, and the latest research shows that including allergens regularly in our diet during pregnancy helps to build up our baby's immune defense system. So I recommend including a small handful of mixed nuts in your diet most days. Number 3, celery sticks filled with peanut butter. The allergens that are found in peanuts are different to those found in other types of nuts. So it's important that you include some peanuts as well as mixed nuts. Celery sticks filled with peanut butter is a delicious way to help prevent your bub from peanut anaphylaxis. But try not to be too heavy-handed with the peanut butter because it is high in calories. Number 4, a fruit smoothie. This is another great way to boost your dairy intake during pregnancy. Although you may like to make it with soy milk, as soy milk is another common allergy for babies, so it's good to try to include some in our diet to strengthen our baby's immune defense. Both soy milk and cow's milk have a low glycemic index, so smoothies are a great way to keep your blood glucose levels stable. Number 5, a slice of toast. Many women don't need to increase kilojoule intake much during pregnancy these days, but if you are going to add in some additional kilojoules during pregnancy, the recommended place to get them is from cereals and grains. Cereals and grains are packed with important pregnancy nutrients like folate and niacin. And the wheat is great for your gut microbiome, which will be shared with your baby to help prevent him or her from future disease. I recommend taking a small tomato with you and just cutting it up and adding it on the top. Number 6, whole grain crackers. Whole grain crackers are another way to boost our intake of cereals and grains. And another great spread for pregnancy is avocado, as it's packed with good fats. Number 7, a tin of sardines. Sardines are one of the richest sources of good omega-3 fats. Omega-3 is particularly important for the development of your baby's brain, and research suggests that increasing omega-3 during pregnancy may actually have an impact on your baby's learning ability for years to come. Try to choose low salt varieties though, particularly if you have preeclampsia. Number 8 is a mug of vegetable soup. It's packed with fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. Veggie soup makes a great pregnancy snack. Number 9 is homemade popcorn. So give this one a go if you're struggling with morning sickness, but it can also be just a handy snack when you're out on the run. Just make sure that you're going to be air popping it so that it's not drowned in fat or sugar though. And number 10 is corn on the cob. Corn makes a great snack for filling a gnawing stomach. It's rich in nutrition and can really hit the spot, particularly if you're craving carbs. Well, I hope you found something in there to inspire you. Remember that it's best to eat every 3 to 5 hours during pregnancy to help maintain your blood glucose levels. For more pregnancy diet tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you download my free pregnancy meal plan from melaniemcgrice.com/pregnancy. Chat soon! Get the blood flowing. You're struggling to find it's a delicious way to help prevent your bub from peanut anaphylaxis. Stay with your baby and help to prevent. Sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied there. Can we go back?